Filing for divorce in Los Angeles, do's and don'ts. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Filing for divorce in Los Angeles County can be a straightforward process if you know what to do and what to avoid. But many people unknowingly make simple mistakes that delay their case, lead to rejected forms, or create unnecessary tension between spouses. I'll share the most important do's and don'ts when filing for divorce in LA County so you can start off on the right foot. Let's start with the do's. First, do make sure you meet the residency requirements. At least one of you must have lived in California for 6 months and in Los Angeles County for the past 3 months before filing. Do take the time to gather your financial documents early. This will make the disclosure process much smoother later. Do make sure to fill out the correct court forms. At minimum, the petition FL 100 and summons FL 110, plus the UCCJEA form FL 105 if you have children. Do consider your options for service. Once your case is filed, you must serve your spouse properly, and that means having someone over 18 who's not part of the case deliver the documents. Don't serve your spouse yourself. Do file the proof of service promptly, as it starts the 6-month clock for the soonest your divorce can be finalized. Now for the don'ts. Don't assume the court will fix mistakes for you. If you submit incomplete or incorrect paperwork, it will be rejected and you'll have to start over. Don't skip the financial disclosures, even if you're in full agreement with your spouse. These are required by law and must be exchanged before your judgment can be approved. Also, don't rush to file responses or additional paperwork without understanding the process. We've helped many clients clean up cases where forms were filed out of order or submitted before the case was ready, causing unnecessary confusion and delay. And most importantly, don't go it alone if you're unsure what to do. Filing your divorce correctly the first time can save you months of frustration. We recently worked with a client who downloaded random forms online and tried to piece it together themselves. After 2 rejections and 6 months of wasted time, they came to us. We reviewed their case, fixed all the paperwork, and had their divorce filed and approved in under 3 weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in helping people file for divorce correctly and efficiently the first time. We handle all the paperwork, court filings, and disclosures, and we do it all remotely using LA County's e-filing system. If you want to avoid costly mistakes and get your divorce started the right way, visit Divorce661.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll take the guesswork out of filing and help you move forward quickly, affordably, and with confidence.